Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the WOOHSE 360 degrees swivel single lever kitchen tap with extendable spout. You have an elegant faucet here. The pull-out rinse spray head ensures maximum freedom of movement in the kitchen area. Wash vegetables, clean the sink or fill the pots. All of this is no problem with this single lever kitchen tap. No splashing and noises. That kitchen tap ensures a soft and gentle flow of water, comfortable and quiet. Avoid splashing water. Keep your sink dry. It is ideal for everyday cleaning tasks. You have a practical think mixer equipped with German high-quality ceramic cartridge that is tested over 500,000 times, and there was no leak, no noise, or like nothing noise, and it saves up to 30% of water. It's healthy and reliable, 100% lead-free and nickel-free. The independent internal water supply system protects you from lead and nickel in drinking water, and it's so easy to install. The sink fittings are suitable for most sinks. It can be easily connected to all standard hot and cold water pressure systems with standard 3/8 inches connection hose. The water supply pressure should be 0.05 MPa up to 0.8 MPa. These are 0.5 bar up to 8 bar. If the water supply pressure exceeds 0.8 MPa or 8 bar, a pressure reducing valve must be fitted. But in the standard household, you will not go over 8 bar. It's no problem. The water supply temperature is maximum 80 degrees Celsius. Clean the water supply pipe before installing the angle valve to ensure that the pipe is clean, because pipe fouling can damage the spool, causing blockage or water leakage. After opening these boxes, if you will get this, you have to check, is everything there what you are going to need? You will need the faucet itself. You will need 2 water inlet hoses. You will need a set of accessories. That means 1 rubber ring, a rubber gasket, a lock nut with 2 screws, and a thread insert with a fastening thread insert, and a gravity ball. Then, of course, a user manual. And that it is. More you do not need. It's really easy to install. First, prepare the installation tool. Check whether the parts are completed before installation. Common faucet parts included hose, rubber rings, etc. In addition, waterproof tape should be prepared. Check if the main valve, the water supply, is closed. Otherwise, you will have a bath. Not in your bath, in your kitchen. Use a waterproof tape to wrap a few turns in clockwise direction on the thread of the faucet. This is very important. That direction of the waterproof tape must be counterclockwise. If drawn reversely, it will leak, which means that the direction of the waterproof tape winding is opposite to the direction of the faucet thread. Screw the faucet clockwise on the interface of the water pipe and tighten with a wrench. connect to the draw tube, and then install the gravity ball according to the demands. The position of the gravity ball will directly affect the pulling distance and the pulling force. Please adjust the position according to the actual situation at your kitchen at home. Then open the main valve of the water supply, and then normal water can be used. That sounds easy. And it is not only sounds easy, because it is really easy. I will make an installation or a sampling video about this kitchen faucet in the future. Here you have an elegant kitchen tap with pull-out shower head, multi-layer chrome plated surface, corrosion resistant and easy to clean. Cold and hot water supply, 100% lead and nickel free to protect your health. High quality ceramic cartridge, corrosion resistant, 50,000 times service life. And that sounds good. The style is cold, warm fittings. The material is H59A brass. The surface is chrome plated. The valve type is a KTW ceramic valve. The handle material is zinc alloy. And the installation method is single hole deck mounting. Yep, and the application is cold and hot water supply. It weighs about 2 kilograms. The temperature is from 0 to 85 degrees Celsius. The water pressure is up to 8 bar from 0.5. The flow rate is 7.5 liter per minute, and the hose length is 50 centimeter. And here you can see it's really looks beautiful and modern. It looks really awesome because of the black finish, and there are good and high quality materials built in, and it's really easy to assemble. But I will show you in a different thing video. You have class A 59 copper. You have a multi-layer plating, smooth and bright, resistant to erosion, copper material, healthy, lead free. Stay away from the lead potion. And it looks 360 degrees rotation. Free swing makes it easy to clear every corner, rotating the spout comfortable and softly. Yeah, installation is really easy. Attach the water intake lines to the faucet assembly, then insert it to the hole. Screw the metal nut to the faucet under the sink. Plastic washer is on the top, then metal collar, the metal nut at the end. Then tighten the screw and, of course, clasp wide to the label place of the pull-out hose. And that it is a DIY installation. But I will make a different video of that. This was now the unboxing and instruction how you can install it, and I will show you later how to assemble it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.